What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we are going to be, I'm going to be showing you how I wash my car. So I don't know if some of you have noticed, but yeah, there's a slight change on my car. And by slight change I mean there are a set of 16-inch TSI rims on, and the reason for that is because I actually have a photo shoot later on today, and my friend Carl, he has a Mark 1. The Mark 1 normally has these rims on, but because he isn't driving his car and because he doesn't have a license disc, so because he doesn't have a license disc and because he isn't driving his car, he said I could use his rims for the shoot because I don't have tires on my rims yet. So yeah, today's video is about how I wash my car. It's different for everyone. So for today's video, I'm going to be trying the 2-bucket method for the first time ever in my whole life. I've always just used the 1-bucket method, and I made sure that the mud is always clean and there's no like dirt in it before I put it back on the paint. So every time I rinse it off properly, and that's like rinsing it off with a hose or something, just to make sure that the mud is as clean as possible. But the 2-bucket method apparently is you wash a car, you wash a panel, and then you rinse the mud in this bucket of water first before putting it back on the paint. So it's you wash a panel, rinse, back in the soapy water. So what we're going to be using today is the Shield mud with the Shield car wash shampoo, water, clean water to rinse the mud. Here we have a chamois, a microfiber to dry the car. I still need to decide what I'm going to dry the car with. You can do it either with the chamois and then go over it with the microfiber to make sure it's dried properly. And here we have a microfiber for the wheels. This is now just so that we don't get all that brake dust and stuff on the mud that we use for the car's body, because that can scratch the paint up. So we have a microfiber for the wheels. And over here we have this waterless wash and wax. I never use the wash part of the wash and wax. I only ever use it as a wax because it gives the car a nice shine, a nice lasting shine, may I add, after washing the car. So for that I have a microfiber to apply it with. So you spray it on. So you can either spray it on the body of the car, or you can spray it on the microfiber first, but the microfiber needs to be damp. So this is that one, and then after that you take it off with another microfiber, and this is a dry one that I have, that you just polish it off with, and that leaves the car shining nicely. So yeah, that's all I'm going to be using today. I don't have any tire shine, but you can add tire shine if you want. So step number 1 would be to rinse the car first, but I've already done that. I've already rinsed all the dirt off, and now I can start washing it. Now that we have cleaned the body of the car and we've taken all the dirt off the rest of the car, we're going to be cleaning the rims. So what I like to do is I like to clean the rims and the fender liners from what you can see, because sometimes it is noticeable from passers-by. So you just want everything to be as clean as possible. fold up cloth because we don't want it going everywhere. Just gonna clean the face of it. And while you are at it, if you can, see if you can stick your hand in here, clean the inner barrel, just to give it that extra clean. You know what I mean? So after washing your car, you need to rinse it and then obviously dry it. You guys can dry it however you would normally dry your car, but what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using a chamois, and if there's anything left after that I'm going to go over to the microfiber, but it's not really that important because I am going to go over it with that wax, the waterless wax afterwards. So we have dried the car and well, it is looking really clean already, nice and shiny. But what we're going to be doing now is applying the wax. What you need is a damp cloth and a wet and a dry microfiber towel, as well as the wax that we're going to be applying. So what you want to do is you want to spray the wax on the body panel first, and then let it sit for 5 to 10 seconds, and after that wipe it off with the damp towel, and then follow that with a dry microfiber towel. So guys, the car is clean. It has been a little wax on just to protect the paint. I'm happy with the outcome. I'll show you guys more of it in the sunlight, but for now I'm just gonna do the windows, and then that's gonna be it for the car, and then I'm just gonna show you a bit more of how it looks in the sun, because you can't really see the shine in the shade, or you can, yeah, but I'll show you more of it shortly. So this is how the car looks now after the wax and the wash and just that little touch I gave it. This is how it looks. I'm really happy with the results. So yeah, really happy with how it looks. Ready for the photo shoot. That is going to be a vlog on its own. So yeah guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for subscribing and for liking my videos. I really appreciate the support, and stay tuned for more content. Bye guys.